Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change picture in Outlook email. Basically there are two ways. The first is how you can change profile picture in Outlook, and the second is how you can change picture in Outlook email. So let's start with the first one, how you can change your profile picture in Outlook. If you're using it on web, just here you need to head over to top right hand corner, click on your profile, click on the camera icon here, choose your account, and yeah, right here on this window just click on add a photo and just choose the profile picture which you like to put here. I'll go with this one. Double click on the image, and yeah, you can see that they have inserted the image. So by using this slider you can just zoom the picture. So I guess this will look good. Even you can rotate the picture if you like, but I'll just keep that as it is and just click on save. And yeah, you can see that the profile picture has been successfully changed, and that's how you can change your profile picture on Outlook web. So that was about how you can change your profile picture on Outlook web. If you wanna change that on your app, then in that case you just need to click on file, and right here you need to choose your account. As you can see, this account is created on Gmail. That's why I'm not getting the option to change the picture, because if you have Gmail account which you're using on Outlook, in that case you need to change your profile picture on Gmail, and that's the only thing you can do in order to change your profile picture. But in case if your account is on Outlook officially, just like this @outlook.com, then you're gonna see the window like this. So here you have the option to change the profile picture, and once you click on that, you're gonna see the same options we saw on Outlook web. So that was all about how you can change profile picture on Outlook. If you wanna learn how you can change picture on Outlook email, in that case you just need to select the picture which you have already inserted, then hit right click on the picture, and you're gonna see the option like change picture. Click on that and choose the picture which you wanna replace to. I would love to go with this one. Double click on that, and yeah, there you go, the image is successfully inserted, or you can say that the image is changed. And that's exactly how you can change picture in Outlook email. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.